Hello everyone, this is my homework from Paul McWhorter's AI class number 5, AI for Everyone using Python. And the exercise today was to generate 4 output video screen grabs, camera grabs I guess I should say, for color, grayscale and color. Position them upper left, upper right, lower left, and lower right. And so to do that, let's take a look at the code. I'm going to go ahead and quit this and show you the code. Importing the CV2 library, printing, and I expanded the print so it would be nice and clear, and set up a cam object, create a standard frame, and then convert that to grayscale. Show 4 images of that frame. Frame 1 for that, and I guess I named it webcam 1 and webcam 2 for each frame. Then my gray webcam 1 and gray webcam 2. And then use the coordinates X and Y to position each of the frames. I'll admit I had to do some fiddly bits to try and get them exactly located, since I haven't done a whole lot of detailed study on what the positioning is, what the number of pixels in a particular screen would be, or how many pixels are in each frame. So again, I'll go ahead and run that. Now you can see right here, the version of CV2 is 4.53. And if I let go of a frame, it snaps back to its original position. Again, the frames were to be positioned color upper left, grayscale upper right, grayscale lower left, and color lower right. I'm going to go ahead and quit again. I'll post the code for this with the description for everything, and feel free to contact me if you have questions. Thanks, have a great day.